Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. No way, this was just done by Coinbase and Shiba Inu coin. Given an explanation. News of Shiba Inus and Coinbase bonds is something we hear all the time. Their association usually results in excellent news. They're back in the news once more. Are you curious about its topic? This video will discuss no way Shiba Inu coin and Coinbase just did this. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Shiba Inus are becoming increasingly popular these days. In a recently published official Medium blog post, Unification X Fund, a blockchain service provider company directly involved in the development of the Shib Layer 2 solution, confirmed that they intend to deploy the Shib public beta testnet in the third quarter along with the Fund testnet upgrade, which will include the highly anticipated IBCG Gravity SLW Fund update. It has been alleged that the enigmatic XRP whale moved over $210 million worth of Shiba Inu from a Binance wallet to a private wallet. Etherscan reports that the XRP whale exchanged approximately $40 million in Ripple for 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, bringing Shib's wallet share to 21% and XRP's to 5%. It was thought to be the biggest Shiba Inu transaction in history. Currently, the whale's portfolio has more than 48.7 trillion SHIB. According to Etherscan data, the crypto whale has now amassed 20 trillion 24240 SHIB, or $210,591, after a record-breaking transaction. To raise the price of the token and reduce its quantity on the market, 1.5 billion Shiba were burned at the beginning of May. However, the move did not yield the expected consequences, as the stock fell almost 8% in the week that followed its ascent to the top 10 most capitalized cryptocurrencies, giving investors hope for 2021. Shiba and Dogecoin saw a real collapse of roughly 80% in the past year, but it appears that large investors are taking advantage of the low prices and keeping SHIB in their portfolios. Along with Dogecoin, another popular meme coin, SHIB is starting to be used by major corporations like Tesla, AMC, the largest movie theater and movie company in the world, Nike, GameStop, and Nordstrom. Data from late June indicates that SHIB coins worth $594,715,195, or 14.48% of total holdings, are held by whales in the cryptocurrency market. Remarkably, the whale in charge of the U-transfer allegedly started to move as soon as the Shib of 1 billion tokens was revealed. By the end of May, the whale had already amassed almost 25 billion Shiba Inu coins, according to Etherscan data. With this most recent transfer, the whale would have been the world's greatest Shiba Inu holder, surpassing Lite, the highest Shiba token holder, which currently has over 32 billion tokens in its portfolio. Let's get to the main topic now. With 80% of Coinbase users choosing to purchase the most well-liked K9-themed cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu has surged to the 11th position in terms of popularity. In the last 24 hours, Shib has also risen to the 3rd position on CoinMarketCap as the most sought coin. With Unification X Fund announcing its intention to launch the Shib public beta testnet in the 3rd quarter, Shiba Inu's appeal on all of the main cryptocurrency exchanges and price-tracking websites starts to grow. One of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase, has released data that indicates 87% of its users have raised their net long holdings in SHIB through trading over the last 24 hours, while only 13.3% of its customers would rather sell the 14th largest cryptocurrency in the world. Meanwhile, according to CoinMarketCap's data, SHIB is currently the 3rd trending coin on the most popular cryptocurrency tracking website in the world. In the wake of the aforementioned occurrences, Shib's trading volume increased by over 95% in the last several days. The most widely used cryptocurrency with a dog theme now has a 24-hour volume of $414,629,633. Shiba Inu is now selling at $0.00125 as of this writing. In a recent study, the Crypto Basic revealed that the huge crypto whale with a focus on XRP has amassed an incredible $22.4240 SHIB, which is valued at $210,105,106. The public beta testnet for Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain project, Shib, is scheduled to launch in the third quarter of 2022. Following the success of the L2 blockchain's private alpha testnet, the Shiba Inu team made the decision to launch the product's public beta testing in the third quarter of 2022. An announcement states that developers believe the timing is opportune to launch the project for public testing because Shib's private alpha testnet has been operating trouble-free for weeks. In order to align with the fun testnet upgrade, which will feature the eagerly awaited IBCG Gravity SLW fund improvements, the Shib public beta testnet is scheduled to launch in the third quarter. Upon the rollout of Shib for public testing, people will be allowed to interact with the network fully, especially participating in the validation process, Shiba Inu stated in the announcement. Parties will be able to completely interact with the network, including the validation process, through the public beta testnet. Unification states that the main tool undergoing significant development is the wallet application. It aims to be a comprehensive tool that covers asset transfers on each level, SL delegating, staking, and future releases, shibaswap integration, which will also be implemented on L2. It also covers two-way asset transfers between L1 and L2. Shib, meantime, is a component of the projects being developed to demonstrate that Shiba Inu is a useful project rather than a meme coin. It is predicted that the Ethereum blockchain-based L2 network will be just as capable as the ETH scaling platform Polygon. The creators of Shiba will move all Shiba-related projects, including the Metaverse project and the forthcoming collectible card game Shosher, to the Layer 2 network when Shib launches. In May, the volume of Bitcoin trades on the cryptocurrency exchange FTX exceeded that of Coinbase, even though Coinbase reported a record number of trades. The difference between transaction volumes and trade counts suggests that the average dollar value per deal on Coinbase was less than that on FTX, per a recent Coup article. According to the research, the average deal size for the BTC-USD pair on FTX is $2,000. Almost twice as large as it is on Coinbase, which is $1,000. While Coinbase continued to retain its user base, Bitfinex and Bitstamp, two smaller exchanges, lost a significant portion of their market share, according to Coup experts. According to the analysis, the pattern indicates that the market is consolidating amid a protracted bearish atmosphere, with smaller firms finding it more difficult to compete. A significant increase in trade volumes was also observed by Coinbase last month. But it was unable to top the record highs set on May 19, 2022, amid the sell-off. 1. In the midst of China's ban on Bitcoin. These problems included Coinbase experiencing sporadic outages, Binance suspending Ethereum-related token withdrawals, and Kraken receiving reports of users experiencing connectivity problems. The Coinbase premium, the discrepancy between hourly Bitcoin prices on the BTC-USD pair on Coinbase and Binance, is another feature of the report. The premium was positive for over 6 months until going negative in May. Core Scientific just released their first quarter 2022 results. From $54.2 million to $12.5 million, the total revenue climbed by $138.3 million, or 25%. The primary drivers of the overall revenue increase were hosting and digital asset mining, with a decline in equipment sales serving as a partial offset. From $12.7 million to $33.2 million in total hosting income, a 162% increase of $20.5 million was realized. Launching new related party hosting contracts for deployed miners and onboarding new clients were the main drivers of the rise in customer hosting revenue. The $26.3 million in total equipment sales to clients dropped by $5.6 million, or 18%. The primary cause of the decline in equipment sales to customers was the deployment of fewer miners, which was somewhat offset by an increase in equipment sales to linked parties due to the increased demand for cutting-edge mining equipment. From $9.6 million to $113.0 million, the income from digital asset mining climbed by $123.4 million, or 1,281%. And rise in the self-mining hash rate was the main factor driving the year-over-year increase in mining profits. The self-mining hash rate went from 0.40 EHs to 8.3 EHs, an increase of 1,975. Compared to 2.06, 3.22 bitcoins were given overall. In comparison, the average price of Bitcoin was $41,250, down 7% from $44,254. From $39.7 million to $12.5 million in revenue, there was a 209% rise in expenditure, or $82.8 million. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.